What's up, guys? Out here doing the PRL high volume intake install on the Type R. And get you one of these right here. Start prying this off right here. Alright, you want to grab this, install this straight back on. Now you want to grab your Phillips head. You're going to unscrew the MAP sensor, and you're going to unscrew the retainers that are holding this current pipe tubing. Okay, so what did we just do? We removed this bolt here, these two 10mm bolts here. We loosened the hose clamp from here and loosened the hose clamp here. You want to make sure you grab this from its side before you pull it out and kind of assist it. We also unscrewed this. This was also a 10mm bolt. Okay, so now that the air box is out, you want to grab this little grommet out. The easiest way to do that is to push it out. Push the bolt out first. Push the bolt out. Then you can slide the little rubber grommet out. You also want to grab this little rubber cone at the bottom. Grab that out. Now you want to grab your PRL HVI. You want to throw that small rubber cone on the bottom. If you give it a little twist, should go in fairly easily. You then want to grab the other piece here. You want to feed that. It's probably easiest to take the metal washer out first. There you go. Insert this. Now you can reinsert your screw. Too easy. Let's get to the rest. Okay, so now you want to unscrew the MAP sensor off your old airbox. Be careful with these screws. This is a 2018, and like the heads of the screw are like extremely weak, so just be careful. Here's your MAP sensor. I'm gonna place it down. Airbox. I'm gonna need an Allen key real quick. Hold a moment. Okay, so a 3mm Allen key to remove the Allen screws that are in your current housing, MAF housing on the new airbox. Slide that baby in there. Try not to drop these. Make sure they're nice and tight. You don't want to overkill it though. So in your package, you should have something that resembles this right here. I'm not sure what it's called. In your current one, right here, so you're going to want to remove those hose clamps and then pop the new one on. You're not actually removing the hose clamps, you're just kind of moving them. Jesus. Okay, so how I suggest doing this is you are going to want to, let's see if I can zoom. You're gonna want to unbolt the airbox, slightly prop it up. This way you can set the two tubes in together. There we go. And we can readjust. There we go. Is this supposed to go underneath? I feel like it is. No, it's not. Just pulled it off for no reason. Actually see, there we go. I didn't need to take this out. Alright. You want to make sure this is oriented correctly. If I told you I might have to take this off, what would you say? Damn, this is making me dread when I install the Honda. I got the OEM footwell illumination kit. I'm excited for it, but I'm not at the same time. Grab me some electrical tape. Now I also slightly covered the previous loom that was there. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the extra off. Secure that with some electrical tape. So far it's been about, I want to say 35 minutes, 40 minutes I've been doing this. I'm about to button everything up here, turn the car on, and let it run for a minute. Hope there's no codes. Alright, so let's rehash this. So you have these two bolts to take out. You have one down there. You can see that there's a ring around where the old washer was. You don't need that anymore. You're going to take this one out here. You're going to unhook the old hose. You're going to drop the new, you're also going to take your map sensor out. You take a 3mm Allen key on the new intake. You drop the new airbox in, drop the new map sensor in. Lightly tighten those down. Once they stop, they stop. Don't over torque it. The fitment on this isn't bad. I don't know, can you see this right here? It's like 1 millimeter away from where it should be. But I know PRL has their own turbo inlet pipe, so I believe that's the reason. It's fucking hot as shit. Alright. Other than that, it sounds good. I'm gonna let the car warm up, and then we'll do some while we're driving.